We'll guide you through how to find hidden apps on an Android. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be really annoying because you're then unable to go and access it and use it, and perhaps you do something important in it. We'll guide you through some different ways you can try doing this, so make sure it's this full guide so you know them. First of all, you want to go and swipe up. Make sure it's not just on the app pages and not missing from the home screen. You can always try searching for it at the top here. If you go and find it on here, you can always tap and hold it and press add to home. However, it's missing from here as well. Come back to the home screen. What you need to do is go and tap and hold your finger in some empty space like so. Then you'll go and get this pop up. What you need to do is go down to the bottom and you need to go and find the option for settings, and then this screen will open up. You need to go and scroll down and you need to go and find the option for hide apps on home and app screens. And then at the top, you'll go and see the apps which are currently hidden. To remove them, simply go and tap on them like so, and that's it. You can then press done, and now they're going to be back. You may need to go and find them on the app pages, and that's it. If you found this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video.